Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your website with Hostinger Websites Builder and want emails sent to info, for example, at yourdomain.com automatically forwarded to Gmail, Outlook, or any inbox, you are in the right place. In 2026, email forwarding is not configured inside the Websites Builder. It's handled at the email DNS layer. And once set correctly, it works silently and reliably. So most people fail because they try to mix forwarding with full email hosting, so we will not do that. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to connect Hostinger Websites Builder to email forwarding in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, check if Hostinger email is required. So there are two ways to do email forwarding with Hostinger, option A and option B. So option A, Hostinger email forwarding, clean, easy, managed in one place, and option B, DNS only forwarding. This is advanced and external. Most users should use option 1. Okay, so the option 1 sets up email forwarding via Hostinger, best method. So log into Hostinger hPanel, log into Hostinger, go to emails, okay, select your domain. If you don't see emails, make sure your domain uses his Hostinger name services, but before that you have to buy a pack. Okay, so create a forwarding address inside emails, click email forwarders, click add forwarder, fill in forward from for example the info, forward to your name at gmail.com and save. Okay, so verify DNS records and test email forwarding. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.